because it's Victor, and today I'm showing you how to get and set up a bot with over 120 commands that are completely built in that you don't have to code. Now this is going to be a completely custom bot that you can change however you'd like, completely free to host, uptime 24/7, and you'd have to do zero coding. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the Discord developer portal. Click on that first link and go to applications. Here you're going to want to create a new application and give the bot any name that you want. So this is going to be our free bot. So now that you're in here, you can change the profile picture and name of the bot. You're going to want to click on OAuth 2, and then you're going to want to click on URL generator. Click on bot, and now give the bot the permissions that you want. Now copy this link and paste it in Google. This should bring you to this page and add it to the server that you want it on. Make sure it's a server that you have admin perms on and go through the CAPTCHA. So now we're going to get into actually having to host the bot. The first thing we're going to want to do is go to MongoDB. You're going to want to sign up and create an account. I'll just sign in because I already have an account. So during the process of creating your account, you're going to want to make sure that you click on the free plan right here and click create. It'll be a shared cluster. That's fine. Click on the location nearest you or most of your users and create cluster. Now that you're in here, you're going to want to go to network access on the left here. You're going to want to add IP address, click allow access from anywhere, and click confirm. Next, you're going to want to go to database access, add a new database user, and create a username and password that you'll remember. Now you can click add user. Now we're going to go to databases on the left here, and as you can see, when I went through that process earlier, I was creating a cluster. If you already had an account, you would just click on this create button and go through that same process. I'll come back once this has been created. So once it's fully created, which should have taken you just a couple minutes, you're going to want to click connect your application, and save this. You want to make sure you're on Node.js and 4.1 or later. Now, you can copy this, and now you're going to want to go into any text editor and then replace the password part of this with your actual password that you used earlier. So just replace this with your password. I won't show you my password, but you see what I mean. Save that for later, and now we'll go into continuing to host the bot. You're going to want to come to this link in the description right here, and you're going to want to click on fork REPL. If you don't have an account, then you can just create one. Once it's finished forking, it'll take you to some page like this right here. So now that it's finished, you just want to go to this lock right here, secrets, click got it, click in the word token. These are going to be environmental secrets that are going to change based off of your bots. So in your Discord development portal, you're going to want to go back to your bot up here. You're going to want to go to your bot down here on the left, reset your token, and then copy the new token. Now go back to Replit and paste in your token here. Click add new secret. Now go back to your main files right here and go to config.json. You're going to want to replace this MongoDB link right here with the existing one that you had saved from earlier. Then make sure that you have your password in there, which I should have blurred out right here, but it will be your password. Next, you're going to also paste that same URL down here. And then inside of databases.js on the left, you're going to want to paste the exact same URL. Now you're good to go, and you can just click run. You should get a message like this here, and if you come to your Discord server, as you can see, the bot is now online. Free bot, this was the bot I just created. As you can see, it has a prefix it wants you to use, S exclamation point, and it will show up with all of the commands it automatically has. You are now hosting your own bot with over 120 unique commands. However, this is not all I'm going to show you today, so continue to stick around. Now I'm going to be showing you how to modify and edit things in this bot. Now it's not really coding, and I know I told you there wouldn't be any, but we will be adjusting some code to do this. So the first and most important thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to change the prefix of your bot. So stop your bot and change the default prefix on here in config.json to whatever you'd like it to be. I want it to be a question mark, so I'm going to change it to that. Save and run. Wait until you see the success message once again. We have the success message, so now if we go back to the server, type question mark help, as you can see, the bot is working. Next, I'm going to show you how to change these links down here. So you want to go to that same page. So you want to come right here, click command, help, help.js. And inside of help.js at the very bottom here, You can change the links for the invite me and other fields, website, and support to whatever you'd like. Now I'm going to show you how to host this bot completely 24/7 without you having to think or worry about it. Because obviously we don't want this running on our computer all day long. So make sure to stick around. Now to host your bot 24/7, you're going to want to click this link right here, copy it, and go to Uptime Robot. You want to click on it here and register for an account if you don't have one already. Now we're in the dashboard after we've registered, and we're going to click Add New Monitor. We want to click on monitor type, HTTPS, any name you want, free bot. We're going to continue with that naming scheme and paste in the link to the bot that you just copied. Now you remove the first HTTPS, you only want it once, and you can leave out all else default, create monitor, continue free with slower monitoring, and then you can create your monitor. Now you can close, and you can see we have this free bot monitor. However, it is being created right now, so it'll take a little bit to go up. In 4 to 5 minutes, this monitor will be ready and will be hosting your bot 24/7 with no cost to you. And now it's in. That's it. You're done. You have a completely free bot and you did not have to code at all. If this worked for you and helped you out, please make sure to like and subscribe and share with your friends if they want to do the exact same thing on their Discord servers. Thanks for watching.